Thank you for installing QuickShip app. In this video, I'll show you how you can set the QuickShip app and start generating instant tracking number for your customers. So in this store, it's a demo store and we have installed the QuickShip app. First thing you need to do is click on create new page. If you already have a page that you want to use for tracking purposes, that means a page where your customer can track the order status, the shipping status, then you can use that. Otherwise, you need to click on create new page. And next part is simple, just name it to something that refers it as a tracking page. So let's call it tracking and click on save. After that, you can close this window and refresh the app again. And now in the drop down, you would be able to see the newly created page. It's called tracking. And let's enable the app. And the third option is called instant tracking status. In this option, you can decide if you want the new orders to assign instant tracking number or assign the tracking number after 24 hours. Okay, if you want it to be instant, then you need to click on yes. And then finally click on save. So we have done the basic setting of the app, and now every new order that comes to your Shopify store will be using QuickShip app to generate tracking numbers and shipping status right on your Shopify store. They don't need to go to any shipping website, for example, USPS, UPS, FedEx. They can and they will be able to track everything on your Shopify store. All right, so let's get back to the app. Let me refresh it. Okay, so it's enabled and everything looks good. Next thing you need to do is you need to update the tracking status messages. Let me show you how to do that. Tracking status messages are simply the messages that will be displayed to the customer when they track the QuickShip generated tracking number. And I will show you how we're going to do that. My internet is a little slow, so let me just. All right, so let's go to the tracking status message. And you see that there'll be day 1 to day 7 messages. That means you can display 7 messages on 7 days. So what kind of messages you can display? That is anything you want. For example, if you want a general message templates, then you will be able to get it right from the app. You scroll up the app and you'll see a message board, and from there you can copy paste the status that I'm going to show you now. For example, day 1 could be order received. Once you do that, click on save. Now for a while you will see this field is empty, but actually it has saved the message. Okay. Now day 2 could be your order sent for processing. Again, click on save. So now you can see the day 1 message, not the day 2, but day 2 is also saved. Day 3 would be, let's say your order is in our system, something like that, and we click on save. Same way, day 4 we can do your order is under manufacturing. Day 5 we can do your order is sent for quality testing. Day 6 could be let's say order is under packaging. Any message that you want that you want your customer to see on specific days after placing the order. And finally, day 7 is order is ready to be shipped, tracking allotted. Let's save it. All right, now you can see all the messages are ready. If you want the same messages, then you will be able to copy paste from the notice board. Okay, so where to find the notice board? If you want to copy these same messages, then you can do it from, uh, you'll be able to see it under what's new. All right, right now it's not updated, but I'm sorry, I'll update it here, and you'll be able to copy paste the same messages. All right, so let's click to see what is view tracking page. This is actually the page where your customer will be able to track their order status. All right, so here it is. Enter the tracking number and they can click on track and track it. Okay, so let me just show you an example. You need to go to order tracking list. It will show all the orders that has not been assigned the tracking number. All right, so let's go with the latest one. Now, as you can see, these orders, they are the old orders. That means the order in the store before installing this app. If you want, you can generate the tracking number to these orders also. Okay, app will only work for the orders that are under 7 days. So I think these all orders, today I'm recording this video on 25th, so these all orders are under 7 days. You can click on select all and generate tracking number. All right, now you can't see them, so for that you need to refresh the page. You can see two fields here. One is random tracking number and one is actual tracking number. So now when you refresh it and go back to the tracking page again, that we go back to order tracking list, and now you can see that we have assigned a random tracking number to each of this order. So for example, this order, the first one is placed on 23rd January and today is 25th. That means like 4 days back, so it should show the message number 4. So what happens is your customer will get this random tracking number and he gonna copy this, I mean like he'll copy it from his email and paste on the track area like this and click on track. And as you can see that it is generating the message of day 4, that is your order in our system, but we have not working on it yet. That's a spelling mistake. Same way, if we go to the another message on day 22, let's go this, let's check this tracking number, the random tracking number, and track. Your order is under manufacturing. That is another day 3 or day 2 message. And finally, if we check the 21, this is the like 5. It should show the message number 6 or 5, day 5 or day 6. Order is sent for quality testing, right? So these are all the messages it's gonna show. And once these orders they actually ship, then you will be able to see the real tracking numbers here, and these tracking numbers will start displaying the data of actual tracking number, the shipping status, a typical tracking data right on your website. So this way, for 7 days, your customer will see the message that you want. And then from the day your order actually shipped, they will be able to see the real messages that is generated from the shipping company like USPS and UPS. That's how the app works. All right. So let's go back to the admin area. All right. So now you know the tracking page, enable app, and instant tracking status. Okay. And you will be able to see all the latest news and updates right under the What's New section. And if you don't understand anything or you have questions, you can click on this small green envelope, write your name, email, and message, and send it to us. And our support executive will get back to you as soon as possible. So this is the QuickShip app that helps you to generate and deliver a tracking number within 60 seconds. Thank you for watching this video. For any help, again, click on this green envelope and our support will get back to you. Bye-bye.